If you're anything like me, you want to be creative again, but you don't want to invest in the overhead. So the millions of brushes, paper, paints, or whatever medium you want to create with. Well, I'm a mom. Maybe some of you can relate, but having all of that laying around the house, it just wasn't feasible for me, especially with at the time that I started AI art, I had two under two. So that was really tough. One thing that helped me get creative again was just creating with AI art. And now that I'm actually creating, there's this part of me that wants to see where my works stack up against other people's works in a competitive but also not too serious way. And that's where NightCafe Daily Challenges come in. So in this video today, we're going to be going over NightCafe Daily Challenges, what they are, what the AI competitions really are for, how to enter them, how to vote, and all of that fun stuff. We'll get right into it. These are the NightCafe Daily Challenges. Well, there's only one daily challenge per day, and they last 48 hours total, 24 hours to enter, 24 hours to vote. We give you the theme, and you create based off of that theme, and people vote on your art and give it a 1 through 5 in the form of emojis. Let me just take you through it and show you exactly what I mean. So this is the daily challenge page on NightCafe. You just go to the challenges section in the main menu at the top, or if you're on mobile, it'll be at the bottom right-hand corner. So yesterday's daily challenge was prehistoric activities. This is where you can see a gathering of the recent daily challenges. This top challenge is the latest closed and completed daily challenge, which was prehistoric activities. It tells you how many entries there were, who won it, so we can go through those and just see what people are submitting. And you also get a list of the past challenges and also what challenges are happening today and what challenge you can vote on. Music festivals and another reality, and No Theme Thursday. No Theme Thursday is a recurring daily challenge we do every Thursday, which the name is quite self-explanatory. This is how you explore the previous daily challenges. Prehistoric activities, Masterpiece Monday is another recurring weekly no theme day. So this is a completed daily challenge page. I like to go through the submissions by going to the gallery, which just gives you a nice wide view of everything that was submitted. People can interpret the theme so differently, and it's cool to see how that all stacks up. When you win, you get this daily winner badge, which you can also see on the explore page. It tells you, if you click on the actual creation, what daily challenge they placed in. Daily challenges are a way to bring more awareness to creators you might not really know, creators that are doing cool things and exploring cool styles that you otherwise wouldn't really see. Let's just create for today's daily challenge, which is No Theme Thursday. This is going to be tough because I personally am somebody who likes to have a theme, and not having a theme is like, what do I do? Let's just go through some of the art I've been making for the past week. Here's some realistic like anime. I was also making some videos. You know what? I'm just not really feeling any of these because a lot of these have been for personal projects. So let's just shuffle. I'm going to use this What Should I Create prompt suggestions by Vincent feature to help me create a prompt because I'm not feeling too creative. And maybe this will get the creative juices flowing. One way you can double check if your creation is eligible, which it wouldn't have been if I used a pro model, you can scroll all the way down on the create panel, and there's going to be this challenge eligibility drop down, and you can, when you join a challenge, select one of those to make sure that the creation you're making is actually following the challenge rules. So I selected No Theme Thursday, and it's telling me that certain creations cannot be submitted. So I'm just gonna reset this. Now we have to select a non-pro model. And the way we're going to do that is go to Browse All Models, filter by non-pro models. I think I want to go with Z-Image Turbo. I think this is one of the best free model options that we have. So let's go with that. And like I said, we're going to use that beta What Should I Create feature. And also the first creation of the day is free, so I don't even have to pull out of my credit bank for that. Even if I did, it's only 1 credit, but still. If you find a creation that you want to submit, it lines up with the challenge rules, and you're going to be able to submit it. You're going to want to hit that More button that pops up over the image, hit Submit to Challenge, Select the challenge you want to submit to. In this case, it's No Theme Thursday. Choose a good title for it because this is pretty much all voters are going to see as the title. Let's just call it POV, Music Takes You Somewhere. Agree to the rules. And there we go. You can also have the option to publish the creation, but I don't really mind doing that. So there we go. We submitted our first creation into the daily challenges. Well, we together, because I've submitted to daily challenges before. Let's actually see my winners gallery. So you can find your winner gallery by going to the daily challenge tab on your profile. There's recent, top, public collections, and daily challenges. There's also boosted challenges, which are a different type of challenge. If you want to learn how to set those up, just let me know and we can do a video on that too. I love this stuff. Okay, so here are some of my winning entries. I've only placed 8 times, and that should tell you a lot. Competition sometimes is very tough. I work for NightCafe, and it's hard for me to place. So there's a lot of really good artists winning and competing in these challenges. When you enter a challenge, there are prizes. When you view results, you can see what the prizes are. You scroll down. Prizes, first place is 250 credits, second 150 credits, third place 50 credits. Not just this, anybody who places in 20% or higher also gets credits, which are broken down here if you want to take a look. Okay, let's just vote in a challenge super quickly. So we're gonna be voting in this music festivals and another reality challenge. Let's just do that. This is how you can vote. 1 is this like little sad face, 5 is the heart eyes, and everything in between, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get an average score out of 5. And I think this one is probably, I think it's on theme and it's not horrible. So I'm going to give it a 4. This fish one I think is great. Aquatic Riff Surge, 5 stars. Coachella Festival. This one really actually looks like Burning Man on a different planet, 5. When you're voting, there are like suggestions and guidelines on how to vote, but there's nothing really stopping you from voting how you feel. So it's really like if you like something and it resonates with you, you give it an honest score, and that's how you vote. If you also like more low pressure, like challenge styles, ways of creating, then we also have quests, which deserve a whole video on their own. I think that's pretty much it. Did I miss anything? If I missed anything, please do let me know. Put it down in the comments. I'm always happy to answer your questions. And if I voted on your creation and you think you deserved a higher score, tell me in the comments. It's time for you to create a submission and enter the challenge that we have today. We'll see you guys around. Thanks for watching.